I'm Mark Krexler with The Climatographers, and in this video I'm going to try and stimulate your thinking about whether wicked problem knowledge management can advance climate change decision making. I'm convinced, based on 30 years in this field, that if decision makers and the people who can influence them saw the right climate change actionable knowledge, it would change climate change outcomes. What if the knowledge of thousands of experts could be turned into actionable climate knowledge specific to individual decision makers' needs and circumstances? Now you understand what we're doing with the Climate Web. And I'm going to jump into the Climate Web specifically to show you a little bit more about wicked problem knowledge management there. So now we're in the Climate Web. We're at the Climate Change as Wicked Problem deep dive, one of about 100 deep dives and one of thousands of index entries in the Climate Web. On the left, you can see sources headings, news headings, graphics, videos, knowledge bases, all the different kinds of information we slice and dice for purposes of the Climate Web. So I'm going to click on sources, which is documents, books, PowerPoints, etc., climate change as a wicked problem. I'm just going to pick one of these, 2016 DeVries. You can see we've extracted a few pieces of information from that report. If I click on one of those thoughts, you'll see that information always links back to its original source. It also links back to knowledge base headings. If I click on that, you'll see that that actually links back to the wicked problem deep dive itself. So it really is all a massive web of information and knowledge, but it's also possible to organize anything in here specific to the actionable knowledge needs of a particular audience or individual. And I'm just going to show you an example for sort of a 101 wicked problem dashboard. So this 101 wicked problems dashboard shows you how any collection of information, from ideas to graphics to videos to reports to index entries, can be customized for a particular actionable knowledge need, audience, or purpose. And there's almost nothing you can't do with this aspect of the Climate Web. So via that very short demo of the Climate Web, I wanted to tee up a few questions that I would very much welcome your feedback on or the opportunity to discuss with you. How can the Climate Web contribute to wicked problem thinking in the context of climate change decision making, contributing to your work, informing audiences, putting together more advanced doorways for different audiences, putting together a web-based course that we've done for other topics, a customized mini brain that's much smaller to navigate. And there are some ways that we'd greatly appreciate your help in getting the word out about the Climate Web. And can we collectively improve the odds when it comes to tackling climate change? That's what we're all trying to accomplish. So I'm going to leave it there. Contact information is here. I would welcome the opportunity to follow up and get your feedback. Thanks.